Can you read that off to me?
Parentheses 5 plus 2 2 square root of 7 and parentheses 4 minus square root of 7.
Did I read that right?
Mm-hmm.
Okay. So we would need to distribute twice for this. Multiply the 5 to everything in the second. And then multiply this to everything in the second as well. You would then be distributing twice. So 5 times 4 would give us 20. I'm going to go ahead and multiply these out for lack of time. 5 times negative square root of 7 would be minus or negative 5 times the square root of 7. When I multiply these out, this would be positive 2 times 4, so 8 times the square root of 7. And then this multiplied to the negative square root of 7 would be negative 2 times the square root of 7 times 7, which would be 49. Then you could either combine your like terms or simplify this or do that all at the same time. So we're going to do that at the same time. Negative 5 plus 8 would give us positive 3. The square root of 49 is 7. We can multiply that out and combine these like terms. So 20 minus 14 would be 6.
Anna, did you have a question? Say that again.
I want to go over one.
Which one?
Number 9.
Number 9.
Is it this number 9? Yeah. Alright, so for this one, you would need to simplify each of these. Shortest method, you have to find the highest perfect square that these go into. I'm kind of guessing. So this would be 16 and 3. This would be 4 times the square root of 3. I don't know what 147 would be.
Wow.
Would be 9 and 3. Seven times the square root of 3, and then 50 would be 25, and 2. So times 5 times the square root of 2. Simplify all of that. We have 16 times the square root of 3 minus 7 times the square root of 3 minus 15 times the square root of 2. You can only combine 2 of those because they have the same recipient. So that would be 9 square root of 3 minus 15 square root of 2.
Did that answer your question?
Eaters. Say that again. 3. This one? Okay. First, bring out your negative. You're looking for the shortest method. So highest perfect cube would be 64 and 2. Cube root of 64 is 2. We're going to bring down this negative. So our final answer would be negative 4 times the cube root of 2. Did that answer your question? Okay, you had a question? About the review? Okay, give me 1 second. Tell me.
Question to the second.
This one? So we're multiplying, so multiply the outsides together, negative 12, multiply the insides together. I'm gonna rewrite it first. Multiply your numbers together first, so 5 times 15, I think that's 75. If you're multiplying these exponents, you would be adding the exponents, so k to the 7th. Then you can simplify. Highest perfect square that goes into 75 is 25 and 3. So that would be 5 times the square root of 3. And then 2 goes into 7 3 times, with 1 left over. So for multiplying negative 12 and 5, that would give us negative 60. Also on the outside would be k to the 3rd. On the inside, we have 3 and k. Other last minute questions? Naima. On this page.
On the second page.
This one?
Yeah.
Highest perfect cube that goes into 250 is 125 and 5 and 2, sorry. Cube root of 125 is 5. And then 3 goes into 6 twice. And 3 goes into 10 3 times, with 1 left over. So on the outside, we have 5m squared, n to the 3rd. On the inside, we have the cube root of 2n. Kat, did you have a question? Okay. Alright, so you have 2 objectives. One is simplifying radicals, one is operations of radicals. You may need paper. Clear off your desk except for your calculator, your pencil, your laptop, and paper, regular paper.